na hindi nyo kamag-anak o kakilala, okay lang. Basta kung nakita nyo maganda, palakpakan ninyo. And kung sino man sa kanilang apat ang may pinakamalakas na palakpak, siya ang may pinakamaraming kakilala. Nagbabaon ng dala-dalang kasama. Si! Papalakpak po. Nakalimutan. Nakalimutan na naglalaro tayo. Okay, so ma'am, pakita niyo po kay Mahiya. Yan. Parang hindi mali yung pagkakahawi. Ito pa gano'n yung sinip. Okay, contestant number 2 kay Ma'am Honey! Parang iisa lang yung pumalakpak sa inyo dalawa. Okay. Ito, tsakto, maraming papalakpak dito. Contestant number 3 kay Ma'am Dayan! Sir, lagot tayo pag hindi tayo pumalakpak. Oh, naku, huwag kayo mag-alala, ma'am. Tatingin niya po. Ma'am, atin na ito, bubulong ko lang po sa inyo. Magaling ako ng beat. Okay, so huwag kayo mag-alala, mananalo tayo. Yan, so ladies and gentlemen, pakinggan niyo po yung sasabihin ko. Number 4, teka lang, pinsan niyo po sila, sino po sa kila Ma'am and Dad yung pinsan niyo? Okay. Okay, so ang hindi papalakpak, siya ang magbabayad ng kinain kay Ma'am Linda! Kita niya, galing ko mawala. Sabi kasi niya, ganun ako kagaling mag-build up eh. Okay, so I think kilala niyo na ang ating winner. The winner is contestant number 4. If you know the answer, I'm going to give you the prize if that is the correct answer. Wow! I'll give you a clue on the sound, okay? The sneakers. Yes, sir. Okay, so kanina pa siya nagtataas ng ngalay niya. So, ma'am, what is the title of that cartoon? Ariel. Alam ko si Ariel yung bida doon. And what is the title of that cartoon? The Little and the Beast. Yes, it's?
Little Mermaid.
It's Little Mermaid. And you have won a sneaker bar. Yeah, this is for you. And here is our next soundtrack. Okay, who can guess? Basta ma'am, bilis lang. Okay, so ma'am, what is the title of that cartoon? Sige po, pakisya. Cinderella? Cinderella is... Siyempre, si Fairy Godmother yung kumakanta eh. That's the correct answer. Hindi. Ito. This one. What? The cake? Ganito na po. Okay, I guess. What is the title of that cartoon? I'm going to give you a clue. The lead character on this movie is the only character at Walt Disney who can roar. Give you another clue. Remember Simba? Kanina ako may-isip si Mami. Okay, ma'am, what is the title of our last soundtrack? The Lion King is? Correct. Yan, sabi tayo. Okay, and I get backwards. 1, 2, 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sample pa lang yun. Iba yung lumabas eh. Iba ba yan? Okay. So I guess, let's try another one. So on the count of 3 once again, let's count backwards. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Thanks, Barney. Wow. And there's Barney. Barney, hindi ka nandaan dito. Ibang party yan. Wow, there's Barney. Say hi to Barney. Hi! Wow, there's Barney. Yes! Yan, medyo ingat si Barney lumakad. Katatanggal lang ho. Next, we're going to give way for our little picture-taking ceremony together with our birthday celebrant and her mom and dad. Siyempre, magkakasama sila together with Barney. Yeah, just a little bit. And after our picture-taking, Barney, we're going to give you I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say thank you, thank you. Ako pala yun. Okay, and I think it's time for we are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Hi there! Hi! So say hi to Barney! Hi! Wow, so there's Barney, and I guess I'm going to play the audio. Because Barney, we're going to give you a very special dance number for our birthday celebrant, Ate Reika. To see him dance? Parang mahina. Galit ka. Okay, so to dance to the tune of Papaya, ito yung pinakabagong soundtrack. Please welcome Barney! Walang baka wala si Barney. Abante ka, Barney, malagdag yung... Yan, thank you, thank you. Yan po yung bagong style sa Papaya, version 2. Okay, so kids, if you want to join Barney dancing, come on, join us here at the front. You can join him. Come on. Yeah, you can join Barney together with Ate Reika here at the front. Come on. Barney. Yes, and that is a very good, great steps. Di si Edo man sana nagpasikat na. And I love you, you love me. At teka, may picture taking ceremony pa eh. To give way for our picture taking ceremony,